Hello everyone and welcome to the Grade 7 General Science Educational e-Learning Program. My name is Muntasnot Abbebe and I will be instructor for these courses. I have spent enough years working in educational sector as a teacher, focusing areas especially in the natural science, and I will be sharing a lot of real-world example with you, and stay with me until the program is ended. Please feel free to ask questions and engaging with the material, and I am here to support you. In today's lecture, we will be diving into the new topic, Unit 1, Basic Concepts of Science. For today specifically, we see about 1.1, the nature of sciences. Our main objective is define science and distinguish between indigenous and conventional sciences. At the end of these lessons, we will be able to define science and will distinguish between indigenous and conventional sciences. What is science? The word science comes from the Latin words which is scientia, meaning knowledge. In general, it is the systematic way of gaining knowledge about our world. Our world, for examples, our natural aspects, physical aspects, and social aspects of, which means science helps to understand this for our world, natural, physical and social aspects. Science based on observations and evidences. That means science cannot be based on personal assumptions or spiritual things. The last topics for today's lesson is the types of science. As I told you, based on their nature, science can be classified into two. Conventional science means it is a system of knowledge based on scientific method. Scientific method means it is the method which scientists approach to their works. It relies on establishing law and principles. The second one is indigenous science. It is a knowledge built by indigenous people based on empirical experience and cultural understanding of their natural environments. Okay, let me give you some key activity questions that concerning about today's lessons. Question number 1. Describe science in your own words. Question number 2. What are the main areas of science? Question number 3. What is the difference between indigenous and conventional science? Try at your home. To summarize up today's lecture, we explored the fundamental questions. What is science? We learned that science is more than just a fact. It is a systematic way of gaining knowledge based on observations and evidences. We also distinguish between indigenous and conventional sciences. For our next season, we will build on the foundation by looking at the main branches of science and real-world applications. I will open up the floor now for any questions you may have. Feel free to pass them in the chats. Thank you for your attention and participation today. I am excited and continue this journey with you next time. Bye.